In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily find your hidden chats in WhatsApp. So if you have recently hidden or locked a chat in WhatsApp and can't find it, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find it. So for the first step is that you want to head over to WhatsApp. Once you're on WhatsApp, what you want to do now is that you want to swipe your screen down. So as you can see, I cannot see any logged chat option right over here. But what you want to do now to access it is that you want to swipe your screen down like this. And that's how you can easily find your logged chats, and you can easily insert your password and access your logged chats. For example, as you can see, if I exit WhatsApp once more and then return to WhatsApp, the log chat option is hidden. As you can see, if I scroll down, it's nowhere to be found. But if you scroll down, if you swipe your screen down rather, like this is how you can easily access your logged chats. So next time you're on WhatsApp and you want to find your logged chats, easily swipe your screen down, and this is how you can find your logged chats. So with that said, thank you for watching this video.